So you want to draw a concrete fascia. Let's say I want to draw a concrete fascia on this penthouse right there. What I'm going to do is just I'm going to go to options, click on complex profiles and click on profile manager. Then I'm going to click on this new. I can name it, like, let me say, a concrete fiscial. I click OK. It's going to open a totally new page for me. And what I want to do is I want to select beam and unselect wall. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to document, click on line tool, and click this X right here, this point here, drag it up. I'm going to make sure I want to make the height of the concrete fascia to be 500, and I want to make the length to be 500 too. I'm going to come down. I'm going to come down. Let me see. I'll come down by 100. Here by 100 too. Okay. Here by another 100. This is what you get. Then I'm just going to click this other side. I'm going to just make it to be 50, 50, 50, 50, and click enter. Then I'm going to drag the line right here so they can merge. So I'm having this right now. Then for this other side I'm doing is not really necessary, but you know, for the where the concrete fascia is going to rest on, that's on the block, that's 225. Then 150, that's be 150, and put it here, and just wait for this invisible line, that dotted line. Yeah, can do that right there. Then I'm going to remove all these other lines because they're not needed. But if you can see, this thing's a little bit somehow, so I'm just going to like reduce this to be 50 and take this line here, so it could look a little bit okay. Then what I want to do is now is I'm going to click on this line, click on the middle, and select curve edge, then click OK. So we have this now. Then what is the next option? You go to fill tool, click on spacebar and left click. It brings this edge, but it's gonna bring this edge out. So I have some workings I'm doing, so it's a little bit my drawings are a little bit somehow, so it's gonna give you this. So as you can see, the total width is 725 and the height is 500. Okay, so what you want to do next now is save. When you save, you just exit from here, then you go back to your plan. Initially your plan, that is the one with the penthouse. Then I go to design, I'm going to go to beam tool, then I'm going to click on the settings, then I'm going to click on segment. From segments, I'm going to click on this right here, on this custom this structure, rectangular, circular, complex profiles. It's complex profiles right here, and I'm going to click on custom. Now I'm going to look for the name I save my concrete fascia with. It was a concrete fascia, right? So this is it here. The reason why I use A was because so I think I categorize it as the first because if I use concrete fascia, I have to scroll down, you know, don't want to stress myself, so I just use a concrete fascia. Then I click on concrete fascia. I can give it any color. I can give it white color. Let me say stucco white, and this too, stucco white, fine. I'll click on OK. What I want to do next is I'm going to drag it across. I click on OK, and just, yeah, so that's it. So I'm going to go back to my 3D now. Let me see what I did. So most of the times the thing is always you have to check your measurement anytime you're trying to draw. So this is it right here. So I'm gonna drag it up. I'm going to drag it up. Yeah, I'm gonna drag it up right there. So if you see now, we can get this. You can get this right here. This is your concrete fascia. I'm still gonna come back to this one here. So I'm not done. I think I need to raise the block. But if I don't want to do that, I can just go back to the story. Click on this beam tool. I'm going to draw this. So I'm going to go back to my 3D. It's going to be down. That's because I didn't set the height properly. So I'm going to drag this up to this height there. So you have this. You have this right here. This is what you have. So have you seen? Can you see how you can create your concrete fascia easily? You can design any kind of design any way you want to design it. So what I'm going to do next now is I'm going to bring the roof. I'm going to select the roof. I'm just going to put the roof so you can see the design. I'm just going to select the roof. So I have this. So if I go back to my 3D now, so I'll be having this. So just gonna do this real quick. So it's like this, but I need to extend. I need to do some settings. So that's it. I'm gonna drag this up now, and there you go. There we have it. If we go back to our 3D, obviously it's down. It's down now, and there you have it. You have your. You can change the roof pitch because this is way too high. You can change your roof pitch. Let me use 35. So you can change your roof pitch. You use your elevation to drag it to the normal height, so you can see how it is. So it's actually very simple for someone to create concrete fascia. So this is the easiest way for you to create concrete fascia. And don't mind you can also change the colors. If you don't like this color, if you don't like the colors, you can change it into something that you want. So don't forget, you can change it into something that you want. You can go ahead and change it to let me see, this color. You can change it into this color, into black, or just as you want it, or how you want to design your building. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This video has been of any help to you. Kindly subscribe and like. Thank you.